Please love, welcome back to my channel. Today I have 3 summer recipes for you. Please ignore my dog crying. She's watching a show. Willa. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you. Is that your favorite show, Willa? This is her absolute favorite TV show. Anyway, these 3 recipes are all perfect for summer for various reasons. We have one that is cooked in a microwave, so if it's too hot, like today it's really hot here and you don't want to turn on your oven, it's perfect. I have a sort of like packed lunch idea that is perfect, like you can either have it warm or cold. And another just summer dessert recipe to use up any peaches that you might have. I know people are kind of like buying peaches up right now because it's the last of the season. Because it's the last of the season. They're all super good. I know you're gonna love them. That is it for me right now, so let's get into it. This blueberry crisp mug cake is so tasty and so easy, so you're gonna combine some fresh summer blueberries with butter and brown sugar and microwave that for a few seconds, and then in a separate bowl just combine your flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon and mix that together. Then add your wet ingredients, which are milk. I'm just using soy milk and a little bit of oil, and then just mix that together to make a thick batter. Add that to our little blueberry sauce that we made and just kind of swirl it around. You don't have to mix it completely. I just like to kind of swirl it through. And then the last thing we have to do is make a crisp topping. It's super easy. It's just oats, vegan butter, and brown sugar. And I like to use my hands to just like mix it together into a crumbly consistency and then pour that on top of the cake and then microwave it again. Then I like to serve it with a little bit of ice cream. I only had chocolate chip, but it was actually really, really good. And then I put some fresh blueberries on top, and that's it. I love these sticky sesame tofu pita pockets, and I know you will too. So you want to coat your tofu in a little bit of flour or cornstarch. This just adds kind of like a crispy batter when we fry it. And I also did a little bit of salt and pepper. You could do some paprika or anything else that you want as well. And just kind of lightly toss that in the flour or cornstarch. This is flour, but I normally go for cornstarch. I just didn't have any. And then for the sauce, it is a mixture of soy sauce, maple syrup or agave, some ketchup, sounds weird, but just trust me, some sesame oil and sriracha, and then I added in a clove of minced garlic. And then you want to fry your tofu. So in my cast iron skillet, I just added some olive oil and fried my tofu until it was getting a little bit crispy on the outside. And then I added in the sauce, and you just want to cook that until it kind of thickens up and gets nice and sticky. For the corn slaw, it's super easy. Just put some corn, vegan mayo, basil, and vegan cheese, and then a little bit of salt and pepper to season it, and that's it. So to make the pita pockets, just cut your pita in half, and then you can add in some fresh lettuce, some of that corn slaw, and then the tofu. And this is so incredibly good. Like, the flavors seem a little bit weird when you first think about it, but it is so good. I love serving these with sweet potato fries, but they make an amazing packed lunch as well. This peach crisp pie seems really impressive and everybody will love you for it, but it's actually so easy. So just combine your peaches with some maple syrup and vanilla and a little bit of cinnamon and toss that all together. This is gonna bring out some of the juices and kind of leave them at the bottom of the bowl so that the pie crust doesn't get soggy. For the crisp topping, you're gonna combine oats, flour, brown sugar, and melted vegan butter, and similar to the mug cake, you can just use a spoon or your hands to mix it until it is a crumble consistency. Then just add that to a pre-made pie crust, keeping it nice and easy, and again, just avoid putting all of the juice in just so that it doesn't get soggy, and then put the crisp over top, and then you just want to bake it for like 35 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown, and it's really that easy. You can serve it with vanilla ice cream or Cocoa Whip, and it's just so incredible. I know you're gonna love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one of these recipes was your favorite, which one you're gonna make first, or if you've already made any of these. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.